Let's say the user has seen enough and they're feeling, after all this experience, they see doors that they like and they're ready to talk to one of your dealers or your sales team. They're gonna fill out their information here, and look, 9 times out of 10, this is what most leads look like. Even if it's a great lead or maybe it's a bad lead, someone is submitting a lead to your dealers or to you, and they're just saying the word like door, or it's their name and a phone number if you're lucky and an email, and that's all your dealers are getting. And you can understand why most dealers aren't that excited about those leads and they don't know how to follow up. A lot of the leads are going to be really unqualified. Some are good, but they have no real understanding of what's good or bad, and that causes a huge problem for anyone who has to deal with those leads. And therefore, as a manufacturer, you're saying, hey, I'm generating all these leads, but your dealers maybe aren't that excited to work them. So check this out. This is what's happening behind the scenes. Typically, this would be floating into your own CRM, whether that's Dynamics or Salesforce or whatever that is. In this case, we're showing it on the Threekit backend, and I'm here to show you the kinds of leads that show up for your dealers via Threekit. So again, Threekit has ways and means of sending automatic personalized emails and text messages to the customer to ensure that they're getting contacted within 5 minutes, because today data is showing that the average response time on leads in the window and door industry is 47 hours, which is a huge problem. But now with Threekit, you're able to have followed up on those leads in minutes, and it's contextual. Let me show you what I mean by that. Look at all this amazing data that's being collected. This is not Google Analytics. This is translating the user's actions into a true customer profile. So it's saying, hey, here's a quick summary. Their key style preference is Georgian, federal home style. They engaged in specific door styles in denim, navy, ivory, and espresso colors. Talked about exterior doors. It shows the doors that they liked. Their budget gives you insight about budget. Some of their liked items have a higher price point. This is amazing context. It shows you the image that they uploaded. If you're a dealer, this is a hot lead. They engaged, they selected products that they liked, color, budget, home style, and now you've got this amazing opportunity, and you as the manufacturer, you're getting this data too, so you can see that's a hot lead. Here's all the hot leads I've sent to this dealer. And where are those leads at? Are they being converted? Are they being worked? Particularly the high quality ones. That's a really important opportunity here too. The front end is important for the customer experience, but closing it off on the back end is also very important.